And here we go on our daily incense.
Don't even start.
We are big bird hunting and shiny hunting for the next 15 minutes, guys. Enjoy. I don't know what the heck you're talking about. I got a deerling out of my incense.
I keep doing that. Brazil.
The Bruzzle? The Bruzzle?
Yeah. I got him 3 times.
Oh, your daily incense?
Yeah.
How'd you get him 3 times? We just started it.
I start mine early.
Why did you start yours so early? You can't catch big birds that way.
Because I'm trying to let you get the birds.
Looking for the Galarian Birds. Let's go.
Will you stop being cringy?
Would you stop telling me I'm cringy? Lord.
Pink hopper pip. I need those green ones.
No green hopper pit for you.
But I need it.
I got a shiny this morning already. We've only been up 10 minutes.
I cannot help it.
My goodness, Cascoon, you're only at 305.
My monkey just came. Oh, cutie little Maria.
Yes, the coffee is good today, baby. Shinies, where are you, shinies?
Honey.
What, baby? Go the fuck out of my incense. Oh, you're supposed to be green, Mr. Hopper Pip. A huge whooper.
I would really always have the lamest ones.
Lately, I have had the lamest things coming out of these things as
Like,
well.
I just had a 780 sweet econs. I don't even catch those normally.
Yeah, lately they've been bad. These daily incense. Pokemon needs to pick up that game.
If it was 83, I would.
Oh, a Fweeny Banini.
Like my first spreadsheet.
Come on now. Oh, a little rufflet. Let's catch the rufflets.
Oh, my guy's here. Aurora.
Oh, that's a cool Pokemon. Oh, he didn't come out of your incense, did he?
Yeah, they look so bad. I don't know if he did it or not, maybe.
Oh, here he is. Oh, look at this, guys. A wild antelope just appeared. Oh, what could it be?
Nani.
A Zorua.
I think they get the concept.
Mine is a 3-star. Look at that.
Ooh, mine's not.
We're going to star him. Take a look at him later.
I guess it just assumed they were the same.
It's not.
Congratulations. Here.
Thank you. Mega Mama 4 Silver.
This is about to make me unsilver.
Just stop calling me cringy on my videos.
Shut up. Oh, good God. Right. I always wanted.
Oh, wow. Carablast has appeared. No, I do not have a shiny Carablast, honey. How many you got? 2?
Yeah. Oh, a tiny little seagull.
A Diglett. A turd Pokemon.
I need to find some more extra large. I should have called up them damn huge mankeys that kept pissing me off.
You need extra large Mankey candy?
Yes, because I can't.
You know, if you trade 100 regular candies, you get an extra large candy.
Yeah, no.
I didn't know if you knew that. Fun fact.
You just collect all them freaking candies for nothing.
That's why I got over 5,000 Mankey candies. I could foresee this issue.
Not right. Oh, I just kept throwing them away. Every time they were huge and not shiny, it just made me mad, so I didn't even think about. Probably threw away 50 of them. never going to be able to power up my little ape guy.
Fuini Bonini. The low tag.
That cactus thing is so ugly shiny. A little dancing cactus. It's just like brown.
The one we call Rico?
No.
The other one? Oh, the fat. I call that the fat cactus.
He's like the little round.
There he is.
Bar.
The fat cactus.
The short little round guy at the bar that's always annoying. That thinks he's cool. Telling jokes.
Let's see if this Spritzy's shiny for me. Oh no, not a shiny Spritzy. I get a non-shiny Whismer out of my wonderful daily incense these days.
No, but the daily insect can't be like epic every day.
Well, it could at least give me one shiny or something cool every day.
What? Why?
Well, I'm sorry. I'm not like you, and I don't get 4 shinies a day otherwise.
I literally only caught 6 things from my entire incense.
Why would you only catch 6 things from your incense?
Because they all suck.
That's why you don't get great things. You got to catch them all.
Oh, you're over there complaining about yours. Like
I know,
you're the
but
expert.
Usually it's better when you catch all of them. Instead, I get a wonderful Bart Simpson. It's a Lechomper. Lechonker. You got to gather the pigs, because when you throw a dead body in with the pigs, there's nothing left. That's why you catch all the Lechonkers.
What the hell is wrong?
So one day, when I throw the professor in there, I can't be caught. And a wonderful grub it out of my incense. So far he's not pulling up. Our wonderful service in this one spot.
I see a scorpion sighting.
A little electric mouse. Ah, that was funny.
I know. Thank you. Thank you very much. And now, I'm stuck on a bee.
And now I get a quillfish, a huge quillfish out of my incense, and a buddy assist with an excellent ball for the catch. Stay in.
Look at my screen.
I'm just trying to pull a Pokemon. That thing doing that. 32 seconds left on my incense. Are we going to get a Galarian Bird before it's over? Probably not, since I just got an Execute.
Yo, homie.
Oh, guys, that daily incense was a little uneventful. 22 junk Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed the video. Come back for tomorrow when we're going to find a Galarian bird, hopefully. Have a great day.